Trade balance is a key indicator of a country's economic health, but not every country runs a trade surplus. Some nations consistently record massive trade deficits. Today, we're going to look at the 10 countries with the largest trade deficits in the world. Which countries make the list? Let's find out. 10th, Romania, deficit of $31.3 billion. Romania's trade deficit is influenced by its growing economy and increasing demand for imported goods, particularly from European neighbors. 9th, Greece, deficit of $35.7 billion. Greece's reliance on imported energy and goods, coupled with a tourism-driven economy, contributes to this imbalance. 8th, Spain, deficit of $37.5 billion. Spain's strong tourism sector and high demand for imported goods, especially from within the EU, drive this deficit. 7th, Japan, deficit of $47.9 billion. Despite having a trade surplus with the US and some European countries, Japan faces deficits with countries like Saudi Arabia and Australia, largely due to its reliance on imported crude petroleum. 6th, Philippines, deficit of $65.9 billion. The Philippines' growing economy and increased demand for electronics and machinery imports contribute to this deficit. 5th, France, deficit of $82.3 billion. France's strong consumer market and high demand for imported goods, particularly from within the EU, contribute to this deficit. 4th, Turkey, deficit of $86.3 billion. Turkey's growing economy and high energy import costs are significant factors. 3rd, United Kingdom, deficit of $233.1 billion. Strong domestic demand and a reliance on imported goods, especially from the EU, drive this imbalance. 2nd, India, deficit of $245.5 billion. India's rapidly growing economy and rising demand for imports like gold and energy, with China being a major trading partner, fuel this deficit. 1st, U.S., deficit of $1.01. The U.S. has the largest trade deficit globally, driven by strong domestic demand, a strong dollar, and a growing economy. The U.S. imports more goods than it exports, particularly electronics, crude oil, and automobiles.